Hi and welcome to Show's classes. You can WhatsApp or call us at this number for any doubts, queries, or for full videos on our courses. Suppose that there are two firms, 1 and 2, each producing chocolate at zero marginal cost. Always check the question and the values that is given. However, one firm's product is not identical to the product of the other. The inverse demand functions are as given, where P1, Q1 are respectively price obtained and quantity produced by firm 1, and P2 and Q2 are respectively price obtained and quantity produced by firm 2. A1, A2, B11, B12, B21, B22 are all positive. Assume the firms choose independently how much to produce. How much do the two firms produce, assuming both produce in positive quantities? What conditions on the parameters are there, and under what set of conditions does this model reduce to standard Kuhn model? Let us see how to do this. Now we are given the following inverse demand function. We can solve for the best response function of the firm 1 by maximizing max Q1 such that A1 Q1 minus B11 Q1 square minus B12 Q2 Q1. This is the best response function of firm 1. Let us denote this as F1, best response. Now, and of firm 2 by, that is the best response function for firm 2 is maximize Q2. Similarly, A2 Q2 minus B21 Q1 Q2 minus B22 Q2 square. So we get BR1 Q2, which is equals to maximization of A1 minus B12 Q2 divided by 2 B11 0, that is BR2 Q1 equals to max A2 minus B21 Q2, or rather this will be Q1 divided by 2 B22 0. If both firms produce quantities, then the output of the two firms solves. Thus these are the quantities of the two firms. Okay, I'll scroll the screen up so that you can see. Now we solve the above system to get Q1 star equals to A1 B22 minus A2 B22. Sorry, this will be A2 B12 divided by 4 B11 B22 minus B21 B12, and Q2 star equals to A2 B11 minus A1 B21 whole divided by 4 B11 B22 minus B21 B12. That was the answer to question A. Now in question B, we need to answer Q1 star is greater than 0 and Q2 star is also greater than 0 in equilibrium, that is in EQ. I'm writing in short acronyms, but you know these terms, so let us move on to further part of this answer, that is this holds if and only if 2A1 B22 minus A2 B12 whole divided by 4B11 B22 minus B21 B12 greater than 0, and 2a2b11 minus a1b21 whole divided by 4b1 1 b22 minus b21 b12 which is greater than 0. Now the third part is when b11 is equals to b21 is equals to b22 and a1 is equals to a2, then this model reduces to the Cournot model or the Cournot model, whatever pronunciation you say. With this we come to an end of this question. Please like, subscribe and click on the notification icon. You can WhatsApp or call us at the number given on the screen for any doubts, queries or for full videos on our courses. Thank you for being a part of Showsters classes. Have a great day.